limit x tends to 1 x minus 2 by x square minus x minus 1 by x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. So here we are having two terms. So I'm going to make an take an LCM to convert it as a single term. Okay. First I'm going to convert this one. For that, x minus 2 as it is, and in the denominator I'm having x square minus x. So shall I take x of x minus 1, that is I have taken x as a common, and then the second term is 1 by x cube. I think here also we can take x as a common, x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. So here also I can take x as a common. So what will happen? X of x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, now I can factorize this x square minus 3x plus 2 because it's a quadratic equation, right? So if you multiply the two number, we need to get 2. If you add or subtract the two number, we should get minus 3. Therefore, the linear factor of this one is x minus 2 of x minus 1. So shall I replace it over here itself, right? Okay, here I can change it as x minus 2 of x minus 1. And now the LCM is x of x minus 2 of x minus 1. And then what will happen to here? Here I am having x of x minus 1, and the denominator is x of x minus 2 of x minus 1. So x minus 2 is multiplied with this to get the LCM. The same thing I have to multiply to the numerator. Already I am having x minus 2. So x minus 2 the whole square minus here the this numerator and the LCM is same. So we are going to write as it is. I think x minus 2 the whole square is in one identity, that is a minus b the whole square. Shall we expand it? No. If you expand the term, you will get the quadratic equation. Then we can't do further simplification, right? So please don't use the identity over here, that identity, but you can use a square minus b square. So I am taking x minus 2 as a. So what will happen? X minus 2 of minus 1, and then x minus 2 of plus 1, and the denominator as it is x of x minus 2 of x minus 1. And then we can simplify it. What will happen? X minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. X minus 3 of x minus 2 plus 1 has become x minus 1 whole divided by x of x minus 2 of x minus 1. And this x minus 1 and this x minus 1 will get cancelled. Now I'm going to replace it over here. So limit x tends to 1, and this term, the whole function has become now x minus 3 of x minus 2. So I'm going to change it as x minus 3 of x minus 2. Shall we substitute the value x is equal to 1? Yes. 1 minus 3 whole divided by 1 of 1 minus 2. So you will get minus 2 by minus 1, and that is nothing but 2. Okay, fine. And next, the method of rationalization, and this is the third type, right? Why we are using the rationalization? In the numerator we are having the root term, so to remove the root we have the option to rationalize, right? That's the thing I'm going to do it. So take the whole functions together, you are getting that 1 plus 3x minus root of 1 minus 3x whole divided by x, and I am going to multiply and divide by a single term, that is 1 plus 3x plus root of 1 minus 3x whole divided by root of 1 plus 3x plus root of 1 minus 3x. Now in the numerator it's in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So I can write it as root of 1 plus 3x the whole square minus root of 1 minus 3x the whole square, and in the denominator x of root 1 plus 3x plus root of 1 minus 3x. Now I can remove the root and square, right? So we will get 1 plus 3x minus of 1 minus 3x. So I am going to multiply the minus. So minus 1 plus 3x whole divided by x root of 1 plus 3x plus root of 1 minus 3x. Okay, this one and this one will get cancelled. Then 3x plus 3x become 6x. So 6x by x of root 1 plus 3x plus root of 1 minus 3x, and this x and this x will get cancelled. Now I'm going to substitute the value over here, that is limit x tends to 0, the function become 6 by x root of 1 plus 3x plus root of 1 minus 3x. Now I'm going to substitute the value x is equal to 0. So what will happen? 6 by, sorry, here I'm not having a x value, that here it is cancelled, right? Okay, now root of 1, 3 into 0 become 0 plus same here root 1. So you will get 6 by 2, that is nothing but 3. Okay, second subdivision, x square minus 9. In the denominator we are having the rationalizing term, right? So we need to rationalize root of x square plus 16 minus 5. So what will happen? X square minus 9 whole divided by root of x square plus 16 minus 5. I am going to rationalize with root of, once again, yeah, root of x square plus 16 plus 5 whole divided by root of x square plus 16 plus 5. In the numerator just the two are multiplied, but in the denominator we have option a minus b of a plus b. So I'm going to change the denominator, and in the numerator as it is. So x square minus 9 of root x square plus 16 plus 5, and in the denominator it will become a square minus b square. So the root will get cancelled, right? I'm going to write directly, that is x square plus 16 minus 5 square. 5 square is what? 25. Then 19 minus 25 is become what? Minus 9. So it will become minus 9. This x square minus 9 and x square minus 9 will get cancel. You will get root of x square plus 16 plus 5. So I'm going to take the limits. Limit x tends to minus 3 root of x square plus 16 plus 5. Now we can substitute the value of x is equal to minus 3. What will happen? Root of minus 3 the whole square plus 16 plus 5. So minus 3 the whole square is 9. 9 plus 16 is 25. So you will get root 25 plus 5. Root 25 is 5. 5 plus 5 is become 10. Okay. Now, the next third subdivision is root of what? In the numerator, we are having the root term, right? So, I'm taking the numerator 1 plus x square minus root of 1 plus x whole divided by x. So, I'm going to rationalize the numerator root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 plus x by root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 plus x. Now in the numerator I am having a minus b of a plus b. So a square minus b square, and I am going to write 1 plus x square minus of 1 plus x. So it will become minus 1 minus x, and in the denominator x of root 1 plus x square plus root of 1 plus x, and this plus 1 and this minus 1 will get cancelled. You will get x square minus x. From that two term I can take x as a common. So x of x minus 1 in the denominator x of root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 plus x. Now this x and this x will get cancelled. Now we can substitute the limit. Limit x tends to 0, x minus 1 whole divided by root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 plus x. So it will become 0 minus 1 whole divided by root 1 plus root 1. Then minus 1 by 2. This is your answer. Okay. And last, we are going to see the fourth method using the formulae. Here the formulae is limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n whole divided by x minus a is equal to n into a of a power n minus 1. If the given limit is in the form of this, we can directly substitute the values over here. Okay. Yes. Now first you just convert the given algebraic function to this form. So here x power 4. Okay. X power 4 minus 16 whole divided by x minus 2, and this the clue is given. X minus 2 means x minus a, so a should be 2. So what will happen to the 16? It will become x power 4 minus 2 power 4 whole divided by x minus 2. For your reference, I am going to write that is n is equal to 4, a is equal to 2. So shall I substitute directly? Yeah. Now limit x tends to 2. Instead of this, I am going to write it as x power 4 minus 2 power 4 whole divided by x minus 2 is equal to n into a power n minus 1. So n is 4, 4 into a is 2 power n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1. So that has become 4 of 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is what? 8. 8 into 4 is 32. Okay. And next second subdivision is x power 15 minus 1. If it is possible for you to factorize it, no. The factorization is done with the quadratic or a cubic. Okay, not more than that we didn't see it. Till the polynomial, that is x power 4, we can factorize it, but it is more than 4. So we are trying to bring the formulae over here. The given in the numerator is x power 15. Once again, x power 15 minus 1 whole divided by x power 10 minus 1. And 1 is 1 power 15. I can write, right? 1 power 15. Here also I can write 1 power 10. So I am having x power n minus a power n, but I am not having x minus a, right? The same thing I can multiply and divide over here. That means I am going to divide for the numerator as well as for the denominator as x minus 1. Now it is in the form of x power n minus a power n whole divided by x minus a. Okay. Now in this I will write what is n and what is a for your reference. N is nothing but 15. A is nothing but 1. This is for the numerator. And what will happen to the denominator? N is equal to 10. A is equal to 1. So what will happen to the simplification? Limit x tends to 1. In this it will become x power 15 minus 1 power 15 whole divided by x minus 1. And the denominator, limit x tends to 1, x power 10 minus 1 power 10 whole divided by x minus 1. So I am going to replace the formulae for the numerator separately and for the denominator. So it will become 15 into a is 1 power 15 minus 1, and for the denominator 10 of a is 1 10 power minus 1, that is nothing but 15 by 10, and this is nothing but 3 by 2. Okay, yes. And last one is limit x tends to minus 3 x power 3 plus 27. So here it is in the form of a formulae, but here I am having plus and here I am having 27. So see what I am going to do. This x power 3 as it is, and plus is nothing but minus into minus, right? So I am going to place one minus over here, and the one more minus I am taking to 27. So minus 27 whole divided by x power 5, same for here also, minus of minus 243. And the next step I am going to change x power 3 minus 27 can be written as minus 3 power 3, and in the denominator x power 5 minus of minus 243 can be written as minus 3 to the power 5, and then the same number I am going to divide it for the numerator as well as for the denominator, right? Shall I write it directly over there? Okay. Limit x tends to minus 3, and here it will become x power 3 minus of minus 3 to the power 3 whole divided by x minus of minus 3, and in the denominator limit x tends to minus 3 x power 5 minus of minus 3 to the power 5 whole divided by x minus of minus 3. And now I am going to replace the formula. Here n is 3. So 3 into a is minus 3 to the power 3 minus 1. And in the denominator n is 5 and a is minus 3, then n minus 1. So what will happen? 3 of minus 3 to the power 2 by 5 of minus 3 to the power 4, right? On further simplification, you will get the value as 1 by 15. Okay, I think you have understand the concept to evaluate the limit. Okay, thank you.